So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you how to buy Cardano cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood is opened up, in the bottom middle, there's the magnifying glass icon. Select it. Then on this page right here, just exit out. Go to the top to where it says search by name or symbol and start typing in Cardano. Ticker symbol ADA, that's what you want. Select it. Once you're on the Cardano page right here, go to the bottom and press the green buy button. Then type in the amount that you want to buy. So if you wanted to do $10, you would type in 10 and then press review. Once you're here, you can then review the transaction by seeing how much Cardano you're buying, so the amount, the fees, and the total cost. And if this looks good and you want to proceed, go to the bottom and swipe up to submit. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how you guys can buy Cardano here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.